You know that moment when your boss fight needs some sparkle, but you have zero VFX artist on hand? That is where Particle Megapack comes in. Over 200 unique particle effects ready to drop into any scene. The real standout is the variety. Fire, smoke, explosions, magical swirls, all organized in neat prefabs. You can customize colors and emission rates without touching shader code. Great for prototyping a combat system or a spell system in an afternoon. Setup is a breeze. Drag a prefab from the folder, attach to a transform, and you are done. No extra scripts to configure. Perfect for jammers who want results fast. With a perfect 5-star rating from nearly 300 reviews, other devs swear by this pack for quickly adding visual impact. Some of the older effects use legacy particles, but most projects still work fine with the standard particle system. At just $9, that is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket for a library of effects you can use in every project. Grab it on the asset store. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Tired of flat, lifeless trees that look like cardboard cutouts? Advanced Foliage Shaders brings your vegetation to life with dynamic wind and vibrant colors. The wind system is the hero here. Each blade and leaf reacts naturally to wind direction and strength, right out of the box. You can tweak parameters per material for different plant types, adds immersion instantly. It supports LODs gracefully, so your open world runs smoothly even with dense forests. The included shaders work in both built-in and URP, which is a huge time saver. Over 300 reviews averaging 4 stars. Users love the visual upgrade, but note a slight learning curve. The shader variants can be confusing at first. You will need to spend an hour reading the documentation. For $10, you skip 40 hours of hand animating vegetation. That is a time-saved ROI you cannot ignore. Link in the description. Need a quick way to make glass, water, or holographic screens look legit without coding a shader? Filter and Transparent Kit Pro has you covered with dozens of glass and transparency presets. The kit includes a massive collection of 50-plus filters for transparent materials, from frosted glass to stained mirrors. You can layer multiple effects to create unique looks, perfect for sci-fi interfaces or crystal puzzles. It is fully compatible with URP and HDRP, and each material is customizable with sliders for refraction, tint, and roughness. You will have polished windows and screens in minutes. With a perfect 5 stars from over 160 reviews, this is a go-to for devs needing clean transparency fast. Some effects rely on screen space distortion, which may not work well with transparent overlapping objects. $15 seems steep, but freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom glass shader. A massive bargain for the flexibility you get. Check it out. Particle effects are great, but sometimes you need full-blown VFX sequences like spell casting or explosions without building systems from scratch. FX Quest delivers exactly that. This asset packs over 100 animated VFX prefabs, each with event triggers. You can fire a meteor or heal aura with a single function call. The included demo scene shows all effects in action, so you can copy-paste logic. The effects are optimized for mobile and desktop, using the built-in particle system. You get both one-shot and loopable effects, saving you from creating timers manually. Another 5-star gem with over 150 ratings, devs praise it as a huge time saver. One reviewer said it saved their game jam. The art style is slightly generic fantasy. You may need to recolor for a unique look. For just $10, that works out to 10 cents per effect. Cost per unit wise, it is a no-brainer. Get the link below. What if you need an infinite ocean for your sailing game or beach scene right now? Ocean Toolkit gives you a working infinite ocean with waves and foam, no coding required. It runs on mobile devices surprisingly well if you dial down the settings. Tested on Adreno and Mali chipsets, you can have open water gameplay even on phones. The real-time wave mesh updates are efficient. Setup is drag and drop. You can adjust wave parameters and foam intensity via inspector sliders. Works with the buoyancy toolkit for floating objects out of the box. Only one review so far, but the functionality is there for basic prototyping, and you cannot beat the price for a quick water solution. However, the shaders have a metallic, artificial look that cannot be removed, and there is no shadow or fog support. Best for low poly or stylized projects. At $9.99, if one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI is huge. Link in the description. Sci-Fi shields, energy barriers, and protective domes are a staple in games. Force Field by Forge 3D gives you multiple variants with stunning visual effects. The asset includes animated shaders with distortion, sparks, and impact effects. You can use the included scripts to take damage and change color on hit. Perfect for a boss fight or a defense mechanic. It ships with 9 customizable prefabs. You can resize the shield to any shape and even combine with other effects. The shaders are compatible with both built-in and URP. 5 stars from over 130 reviews. Users love the ready-to-use prefabs and the polished visuals. The shaders can be heavy on mobile. You may need to reduce quality settings for performance. $15. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Emotional investment in your game's polish. Hit that asset store link. Post-processing is essential for mood, but tweaking every setting takes hours. URP post-processing profiles gives you 50 handcrafted profiles ready to drag onto your camera. Each profile targets a different look: cinematic, horror, retro, vibrant, etc. You get bloom, color grading, vignette, and more calibrated to work together. Swap between profiles in seconds to find the perfect mood. They are all URP native, so no conversion needed. The profiles are well named and organized, making it easy to pick one for a scene. Perfect for jammers who want a polished look instantly. Over 120 reviews, all 5 stars. Devs call it a huge time saver for getting a consistent look without a colorist. The profiles are tied to URP version. If you update URP, some may need recalibration. For under $5, that is less than a fancy coffee drink. Treat your scene without breaking the bank. Link is below. Color grading can transform a game's mood from flat to film-like. Amplify LUT Pack offers over 100 LUTs for instant mood changes. Each LUT is carefully crafted by Amplify Creations, known for high-quality tools. You can apply any LUT in one click using Unity's post-processing stack. Perfect for establishing a consistent look across scenes. The pack covers genres: cinematic, moody, vibrant, desaturated. They are PNG files, easy to import and tweak in Photoshop if needed. Hundreds of LUTs for endless combinations. 5 stars from over 100 reviews. Users love the variety in that these LUTs are artistically made, not generated. LUTs are static. If you need dynamic color changes during gameplay, you will need to blend them via script. For $15, you save days of manually color grading every scene. That is a huge time-saved ROI. Grab them on the asset store. Terrain details like rocks are often the last thing developers bother with. Low Poly Rocks Pack gives you 40 unique rock meshes to scatter around your landscape. Each rock is optimized and comes in multiple sizes. You get different shapes: cliffs, boulders, pebbles, all with clean low poly topology. Perfect for stylized environments. The pack includes textures and materials ready to go. You can quickly populate your scene using a simple prefab brush or just drag and drop. Great for filling out a mountain zone in minutes. With over 100 5-star reviews, this is a trusted asset for quick environmental detail. The rocks are low poly, so they look out of place in high-fidelity scenes. A $10 investment that pays for itself if even one client project uses it. Business ROI at its best. Link below. Magic systems need spells and effects. Elementalis is a massive bundle of over 500 magical effects, from fireballs to death beams. The variety is staggering: projectiles, auras, buffs, explosions, all in one package. Each effect is script-ready with prefabs and particle systems. You can build a full spell system without creating a single effect. The 2018 revamping means updated textures and better performance. The effects are categorized by element, so finding the right fire spell or ice shield is quick. Great for RPGs or action games. 86 reviews, all 5 stars. Users love the sheer volume and quality. One called it a magic system in a box. With so many effects, you will need to organize them into your own folder structure to avoid clutter. $9 for over 500 effects. That comes out to less than 2 cents each. Treat your game to a magic system without the stress. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.